You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. We all have goals and dreams. We all aspire to become rich. We all want an aesthetic physique, and we all seek respect in our community. But only a few people succeed. We've all been told that we have to just set goals and chase them, and you'll get whatever you want. But this is not completely true. It's true that you need to fix your goal, but setting goals alone isn't going to get you anything. We set goals to start the journey. If you want to keep moving, you need a system that is well built. Think of the system as the magnet that attracts your goal. The stronger the magnet's attractive force, the better it attracts. To build a stronger system, we need to strengthen two key areas: the planning. You need to write your plan on paper. Don't calculate everything in your mind. If you didn't make the perfect plan, you wouldn't be making any progress because you're just wandering around. You have to make a customized plan specific to your goal. The better the plan, the better you attract. Your plan includes everything from micro habits to deep, focused work time, your environment, your lifestyle, and everything that complements your attractive force. How to make a perfect plan. You cannot start with a perfect plan that makes every dream come true. There is a concept known as shoot, aim, fire. The phrase shoot, aim, fire is generally used as a metaphor to emphasize the importance of taking action and making adjustments along the way. It suggests that sometimes it's more effective to start with action, even if it's not perfectly planned, and then adjust your approach based on real-time feedback and results. I created a plan to create a YouTube channel. This is my 4th video, and my last 3 videos were not that great. I learned it along the way and revised my plan. I uploaded my first 3 videos, then I found that I suck at editing the videos and writing scripts, and I learned it. To make my first video, it took me almost 3 whole days, and the quality of that video isn't that great. I'm pretty sure that this video is a lot better than my previous one, and the content I am about to post is always going to increase in value because I am continuously focused on revising my plan. The point is that you cannot start with a great plan. Even though you're given one, you won't believe it's the best and stick to it. Because you don't know why this plan is the best among others because you didn't see the flaws in other plans. It is better to revise and improve a rough plan until it is perfected than to create a perfect, godly written plan out of the blue. Your mindset. This is where the David Goggins mindset comes in. Become disciplined. Get obsessed with the plan. Do everything you promise to do in the plan. Be the mad scientist who is obsessed with his work. What is a perfect mindset? You become that mad scientist who just thinks every day about progress rather than the end goal. At some point, you'll forget your ultimate objective. That's when you start to attract. All your thoughts are about making progress. If your goal is to get an aesthetic physique and you're thinking about how the fuck NFT makes me rich, then you're just wandering around distracted. Just get obsessed with lifting weights if you want to be aesthetic. Get obsessed with content creation if you choose content creation. A good salesman is not obsessed with making money. He is obsessed with selling. A rich person is not obsessed over money. He is obsessed over the way he chose to make money. If you can't build a strong mindset, leave your goals to the rest of the competition. Remember that if you have already built your system and optimized it, take a moment to look back at your younger self, who thought that chasing would help you get what you want. And you, right here, who have made a lot of progress and are already attracting your goal.